Today, we're looking at how to set up the new Siegfried v3 wallet, the Stellar wallet that uses passkeys. So no need to download any app, no need for an email address. You just simply go to siegfried.org or siegfried.net and you can have your secret keys encrypted and stored on your mobile device, on your local machine, on your YubiKey. You don't need to spend hundreds of pounds on an encryption device or download any application to do it. All you need is your face or your thumb. No need to remember any long passphrase or password. It's done for you automatically. I'm Nathan, aka Nathan of Zion, your award-winning Stellar XLM crypto developer, Zioncoin's founder. This is where Web 2 meets Web 3. And the Stellar Siegfried v3 wallet. So what we're going to be doing today, we're looking at how to set up your Siegfried v3 wallet on Testnet from GitHub. So without further ado, head on over to Nathan of Zion /playground or Zi-playground. Link will be in the description. GitHub obviously.com, and you'll be able to see our repo, which is the Zi-playground, where you can interact with the Siegfried v3 wallet. So Siegfried v3 smart wallet uses the Stellar blockchain and Soroban smart contracts for passkey ID wallets, Zi airdrop, so you'll be able to get your Zion coins airdropped in your wallet just for doing a few tasks, with classic games, rewards referral system, atomic asset swaps and liquidity pools. Play and earn with this GameFi DApp, or DWAP as I like to call it, decentralized web application, right? And so Zi Airdrop Playground is a decentralized application, web application, built with Next.js 14 for the new Siegfried v3 smart wallet, combining features for secure airdrop management with referral system inspired by modern platforms like Slack, Notion and Figma. It leverages blockchain technology with web authentication and Magic Link referral system. The project is developer friendly, responsive and optimized for development on Vercel. I'm kind of just doing this video so that you can follow along and see the build, if you like. We're probably 85% complete on this project. If you follow the project, we've got like a little surprise game in the web app a little bit later on down the line, but for now, for this part, you'll be able to play like the blockchain Tetris, the Space Invaders. You'll be able to earn Zin of a Zion coin. So just go back like 8 decimal places and that's 1 Zin, right? So you'll be able to earn Zin just by playing Space Invaders and blockchain Tetris. If you get a little bit bored of waiting for your trades to play out, head on over and earn some Zion coins, right? And as I said, there is a surprise game coming in there which you might be interested in. So follow us, follow me, Nathan of Zion. By the way, I'm Nathan, aka Nathan of Zion, your award-winning Stellar XLM crypto developer, Zioncoin's founder. And we've been working with Stellar applications for many years now, almost several years. And this is quite an exciting project for me because it's got to this point where we've got all the smart contract capability with Soroban Rust to do pretty much anything we want to do programmatically on the blockchain, which is pretty big. You know, so the idea is to be as decentralized as possible. I know some may say, oh, well, Stellar's not decentralized enough because there's not enough nodes and so on and so forth. Bitcoin started like that. You know, there was never enough nodes for it to be truly decentralized. When you look at other protocols like proof of stake, is that really decentralized where few have the power because they stake the most? Kind of goes against the ethos, doesn't it? You know, Stellar's open source. Anybody can join the network. Anybody can set up a node. It's not about how much ETH you have or how many XLM you have. No, you have a say in the voting power. I'm part of the core development team, which is why passkeys has been introduced into the protocol 21. So, you know, we've contributed to Stellar via that, and that's given us the ability to just really drive forward what we want to do in terms of an organization, a decentralized organization, a DAO, if you like. And so, look, getting back to the application and what are you going to need? The tech stack is quite straightforward. Well, let's talk about features first. We know what the features are. It's an airdrop management distribution digital asset to multiple recipients via blockchain smart contract referral system, web authn capability, as I explained before, responsive design, blockchain integration, allowing swaps, transfers, atomic swaps, liquidity pools, staking, sending and receiving. Analytics are integrated with Vercel at the moment. Your analytics will be in the back end of your referral system. We've got classic games, 2 at the moment, another 2 coming. We've got 2 airdrops with different themes. The tech stack, front end, Next.js 14, back end, Supabase, serverless functions database referral system, authentication, web authn, passkeys, Soroban, protocol 21, styling, Chaka Khan, or Chakra UI, shall I say? Chaka Khan. Chaka Khan's the musicians, right? Chakra UI is what it reminds me of. Blockchain smart contracts for airdrops. That's Soroban's, Stellar's native smart contract development. Development is via Vercel, so you can really quickly get something online. You get your development online, and that's all of the process that we're going to be going through. So the prerequisites, we need Node.js, okay, 20 plus for Vercel account. SendGrid, I'm not sure you need SendGrid anymore. Docker desktop must be installed. Supabase client. We're going to be using LaunchTube, but that's all inside this. Your API are required if you want to go live. Will be, which is a Stellar application. Mercury API. All of the links will be here. And then your Soroban API keys, you don't really need them because we've provided all of those keys for you. So installation, the project uses PNPM for package management. Therefore, you should install PNPM globally with your NPM, which should come with your Node.js 20 plus, right? So it's quite simply PNPM install -g PNPM, all right? And then you want to clone this project to your machine. So be obviously on your GitHub user, your username, and then you'll just put clone, or actually just go to the link and then up here, git clone, copy that, git clone. I don't know why we've got that in there because that makes literally no sense. That's just an example, I think, of what it should look like once you've done it. And then install your node modules, PNPM install, okay? You want to be running node 20, okay? So that's 20.0.0. No high, no low. Just run that one and it should work perfectly fine, okay? That's the most stable node module that we know of at the moment, or node version that we know of currently, that works well with what we're doing. So you'll be configuring your Soroban for referral system, Supabase. You need to set up your Supabase account, so then you can get all of your functions in there, and then run development server. So how to install Supabase client, best to install that client, and then Docker desktop install and run, Supabase client install, Node.js, Supabase init, straightforward. so on and so forth. Then you're ready to deploy to Vercel or build the project locally. Okay, if you want to follow along, that's what I would advise you to do. That's going to wrap up today's video. In the next video, we will be looking at the issues that we've currently got and working through them and getting this project live. So the Zig3 v3 wallet is going to go live. I'm Nathan, aka Nathan of Zion, your award-winning Stellar Excellent crypto developer. Smash the like, subscribe, follow for new updates. We'll keep you updated on the latest news in terms of crypto, what the markets are doing, and how we can win, basically. Have a great day. Take care now.